You don't need a professional installer to easily install your antenna on the roof, in the attic, or on a deck or side of the house. First, determine the appropriate mounting screws, not provided, for securely mounting the foot to the mounting surface, and mount the foot in the chosen location. Second, align the pivot hole in the pipe with a pivot hole on the foot, and thread a screw through the opening using a washer on each end of the screw. Then, loosely thread a nut on the screw. Third, using a level, adjust the pipe until vertical. Then, align the leveling hole in the pipe with the nearest leveling hole in the foot. Again, thread a screw through the two holes using a washer on each end, and loosely thread a nut on the end of the screw. Check that the pipe is still in a vertical position and tighten the two installed nuts. Step 4. Set the antenna head on the pipe, making sure that the up arrow is pointing upward. Next, position the antenna head so that the front of the antenna is pointing toward the desired broadcast towers. Then, place the mast clamp around the pipe and align the holes with the holes on the back of the antenna. Install a washer on each of the two screws and insert a screw through each aligned hole, and then tighten the screws. Now connect the coax to the coax port on the antenna and route the coax cable to the location of the power inserter. Connect the coax cable from the antenna to the ANT/AMP port of the power inserter, and connect a coax from the TV tuner port of the power inserter to the antenna in port on your digital TV. Plug the mini USB into the USB PWR port of the amplifier, and plug the regular USB into a USB port on the TV or into the 110-volt adapter. Finally, in your television setup menu, set the mode to antenna or air and run a channel scan on your television to find available channels. To receive the maximum number of channels in your area, you may need to reposition the antenna and repeat the channel scan on your television. Please refer to your manual for additional information, including safety tips and electrical grounding instructions.